Good day viewers, welcome to Various Kitchen channel. Today I'll be teaching how to make native okra soup. Please, if you have not subscribed, click the red subscription button and then hit the bell to get more notifications from me. Also give me a thumb up if at the end of this video you like it. Now here are my ingredients. Native okra soup is a delicious delicacy that we normally make in our homes, mostly in the villa. This is my fresh pepper, my meat that has been completely washed, and also I'm going to be cooking it with onions and stock cube and a little salt. Now these are the stock cube, the onions, the native Maggi, which is the Okro, as popularly known in Enugu State, and this is also going to be grinded together with my pepper. Now this is my ice fish, which is cumbia. That's what I'm going to be using for this soup. Now I have my pomo on the table also. I've already washed and slice them into cube. Now this stockfish head, and this is my smoked fish. Now this is the okra, the main vegetable for this soup. And here with me I have periwinkle. I also have my shrimps. They have all been properly washed. Now the first thing I'm going to be doing now is to pour the meat that I've already washed into a saucepan. I add my onions, pepper. Unfortunately I added the pepper behind camera, but for your information I actually added pepper, then stock cube, and then place on heat and allow to cook until tender. Now while that is going on, blend your crayfish and pour away. Blend your pepper, and after the blending of the pepper you add your egg, cut it into small chunks to blend it together with the pepper. Now add some water in the meat. Remember, it has been boiling without water. Another thing, you just soak your smoked fish into water to soften them for easy wash. After some time you wash. Now I'm going to chop my okra. They are just sliced in round shapes. I'm now using my knife to chop them into the size I want. Now begin to wash the fish. It has been softened. Now these things are done while the meat is cooking on heat. Now check your meat. If it is tender, add salt and then start adding your stockfish, your dry fish. Now begin to add every other ingredients like your crayfish, your blended pepper, and the Okro, which is the native Maggi. Your pomo, everything you need for this soup as displayed on the work table. Your shrimps, your fish, the ice fish, which is the cumbia, cover it again to simmer for some time, then add your crayfish, the pepper and the okpei. Then a little water up to the level of the meat and fish, as you don't need the soup to be too watery. Now there's something I didn't show you on display table, which is the palm oil. I'm adding it now. It's about 3 cooking spoons. Then you stir and cover to simmer. Then add in your periwinkle, your stock cube, then stir again, cover to simmer, and next your okra goes in. Start by adding a little at a time. As you stir, you add. As you stir, you add until everything is fully added. Stir completely. Remember, you don't cover a pot of okra soup when cooking it, else it will change the taste of the soup and thereby making the okra not to be fresh enough when eating it. Now this is it. You stir it for some time and immediately turn off the heat and allow the heat inside the cooking pot to cook the rest of the okra. Is this not looking delicious? That's the finished okra soup. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.